Hi friends, this is Shayantanandi from Grow Media. In today's video, I'm going to show you some more advanced settings that you need to do for your channel before you start uploading your videos. So we're going to talk about these 5 extremely important settings that you need to do after you create your channel and even before you start posting your first video. And these are the reasons why they're so crucial. Number 1. Channel keywords. It allows you to add channel keywords which helps the YouTube algorithm understand what your channel is all about and accordingly suggest your channel to viewers in your niche. Number 2. Enable feature eligibility. This feature needs to be enabled for uploading unlimited videos, shorts and live streams, and also to appeal against content ID claims. Unless you enable this feature, you won't be able to upload unlimited videos in your channel. Number 3. Upload defaults. For complete control over the type of comments that your viewers can post and for adding channel tags and to save time while uploading videos, this feature must be enabled. And finally, most important is Google Ads. Now every YouTuber wants to earn revenue from the videos that they create with so much love, passion and dedication. Google Ads is the most used source of revenue for creators, and this can only be enabled from the advanced settings. I hope these should be a compelling enough reason for you to watch this video completely for creating a successful YouTube channel. So let us go to my screen and see how this is done. Yes, so first we need to sign in. You need to go to your channel. And here you're inside your channel. Now on this side, on the left hand side, you need to go to settings. Let's go to settings. So here you can see all the settings that you need to do before you start uploading your video. Okay, so the first thing under settings is general. So this is the currency you have to select. As of now, at the time of this uploading this video, INR is still not applicable, so I'll just keep it as US dollar. Next you'll go to channel. In the channel you have these 3 sections. One is basic info, one is advanced settings, and one is feature eligibility. Under basic info you need to select the country of residence, so I'll just select here India. Okay, this keywords, next we have these keywords. These keywords are a very important section. These keywords must be related to your channel. Now for this you can get idea from your competitors' channel what kind of keywords they have used in their channels. So you can just go to YouTube and search for digital marketing tutorials. Okay, and we'll just pick up one channel randomly. Since vidIQ is already installed in our Chrome browser, so we are able to see all this data on the right hand side. And say we open this video. Now we just scroll down, and here you can see the channel tags that they've used in this tutorial. So I can copy some of the tags which matches our channel. So here I can see digital marketing tutorial, SEO course, digital marketing course, digital advanced digital marketing, learn digital marketing. So I'll just go back to my channel and write here digital marketing tutorials for my digital marketing course, SEO. Okay, so I can keep adding the keywords. So I just wanted to explain to you what are the things that you need to write in your keywords. So this is very important, and please do fill up this section before going forward. Next is advanced settings. Just go to advanced settings. So first thing is, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Now YouTube is very particular about the content that you're posting, and if you think you're posting content only for kids or that are not good for kids, you need to mention it here. So in our case, it is not a channel which is meant for kids, so I'll just select this, set this channel as not made for kids. After this you have this Google Ads linking. This section you cannot view it as of now because Google Ads is still not enabled in for this channel. So once Google Ads is enabled in this channel, that is after you complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can add the link of your Google ad. Okay, after this you have automatic captions. Under automatic captions you can select this, don't show potentially inappropriate words. After this, your advertisements. So the first thing, disable interest based ads, keep this unchecked. because if you select this option, personal ads will not be shown on videos on your channel. And next you have clips. Clips allow viewers to clip my content. Keep this as it is. Next you go to feature eligibility. Under feature eligibility, the standard features are already enabled once you create the channel. After this, you have this intermediate features. If you click here, you can see if you activate this intermediate features, then you can post videos longer than 15 minutes, and you can use custom thumbnails, and also start doing your live streams. Okay, so for enabling this feature, you need to verify your phone number. Just click on verify phone number. Select your country, India. What is your phone number? 919749888468. Get code. So just type the code and press submit. Phone number has been verified. Fantastic. So now you can see that your intermediate features is also enabled. Now next you have advanced features. Under advanced features, you get more options for your channel, which is you can upload more videos and create more shorts and etc. So if you want, you can access these features also. Just click here, access features. So under this you have three options. One is use video verification, use your valid ID, or build channel history. So you can use any of the options in the above two. And I won't suggest you to use this build channel history because it takes some time. Usually takes 2 months, as you can see it's written here. So if you want, you can use a video verification or a valid ID and enable this. Okay. The next is upload defaults. There are certain things that you want to appear in all your videos. So this is covered in this section, upload defaults. Under upload defaults, you have two settings that you need to do. First is basic info and next is advanced settings. Under basic info, title. I have written this small title. Hi, I Shantanu, welcome to my channel, Digital Marketing Tutorials. Because I want this title to appear in all my videos. So by default, this one will appear in all my videos. And under description, I have written a small description from before, which I want in all my videos. And here you can also add links of your social media profiles. Next is visibility. Under visibility, there are three options: public, private, and unlisted. If you select public, your videos will get posted without any permission from you. So under private, it will not be posted. It will be private till the time you manually upload it. But I would recommend here to use unlisted. Under unlisted, you get the option of manually verifying everything before uploading the video. Okay, the next section is tags. Under tags, you need to upload all the tags that are related to your channel. And again, you can use vidIQ and see what kind of tags your competitors are using in your niche. Okay, so now you can see how powerful a tool vidIQ is. So I've just selected these two tags for showing it to you. Next is advanced settings. Under advanced settings, I would recommend you to check this allow automatic chapters. Next you have license. You can just select the standard YouTube license. Next is category. Now category is a very important section because here you need to mention under what category your channel falls. Okay, so my channel falls under the education category, so I have selected education. If your channel belongs to any other category like cars and vehicles, comedy, entertainment, you can select that. Okay. Next is language and caption certification. Under language, you need to select the language in which you are talking in the video. So I have selected English India as my default language. Title and next is title and description language. This is also again English. And if you're doing it in Hindi, you can always select Hindi. Next you have this comments. Comments is also again a very important section, and here you have the option of controlling the comments. So first is allow all comments, second hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, third is hold all comments for review and disable comments. I have selected hold all comments for review because I want to review the comments before allowing them to be posted in my video. Okay, so this was all about upload defaults. So next you have permissions. As you can see here, when you give people permissions on your channel, they can upload, comment and take other public actions. So if you have any other person who is looking after the creative part of your channel and you want to give him some permission for editing your say logo, or if you have a video content creator who is editing your videos, you can give permission to him. Just enter the email address. Under access you have these options: manager, editor, sub-editor, viewer. So you can just go through all these things. They're pretty self-explanatory and select it depending on your use case. Okay, next is community. Under community, this is again for managing moderators, standard moderators. If you have other person, this is mostly used in the case of live streams. You must have seen this in case of live streams, that a person is speaking in front of the video, but there are others who are controlling the type of comments you're getting or the pop-ups that are coming in the video. So this section is mainly used for your live streams. Okay, so this was all about setting. Under agreements, this is you don't need to do anything under agreements, and once all these things are done, just click on save and your advanced settings is completed. Please make sure that you do these advanced settings before uploading your video, because all these tools help you in optimizing your channel, and which ultimately helps you in ranking your videos higher. So that's it for today. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.